Do you also have a solution for patients that can't be lasered?
Yes, since 20 years, and we've been one of the first 5 in Europe to do this kind of surgery. It's called ICL implantation. ICL means implantable contact lens. And I'm always astonished how not only patients but also doctors and eye doctors don't know anything about it. Because it's fabulous. Those people, they come, they have myopia of -10, -16, or they have a very thin cornea, so you can't do laser surgery. And it's a 2-minute procedure. It doesn't hurt. You implant the contact lens, it's in there. You don't have to take care for it. It's there lifelong time. And the visual quality even is better than from laser surgery. But people don't know about it. And it's every day people come to see me with -14, -12, saying, do you have a solution for me? Because my doctor said there is no solution. If you can't do laser surgery, that's it. No, that's not true. You can do something. You can implant a contact lens, wonderful tool. Love it.